Prepare you and your family now before disaster strikes. Make a plan, build a kit, and stay informed.
Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Get ready for Memorial Day weekend 2026 here on the Upper Texas Coast, Bolivar Peninsula. You know, when you come down here, whether it's for a day, a weekend getaway, or a week-long vacation, you always need some food, and you need that beach parking sticker, and the coldest ice on Bolivar Peninsula is found at the big store. You know, Keith and Charlene and the crew up at the big store do a lot, always have a smile on their face and eagerly ready to help you find what you're looking for. Well, I tell you what, it's Tuesday morning and the hot sales start today. That's right. The big store ad starts today at 7 a.m. and runs through next Monday. You can always find it on their website at www.thebigstore.us. Memorial Day weekend's here. Can't wait to see everyone. Can't wait to cruise the beach, see everyone enjoying their time down here, and family fun. So if you're coming down, whether it's for the weekend or maybe you're kicking off that summer vacation, make sure you stop by the big store and get everything you need. And they're not just a grocery store. They have RV supplies, fishing supplies, camping supplies, home goods, tools, you name it, they have it. And like I always say, if the big store doesn't have it, chances are you really don't need it. Make sure you pick up that new bathing suit. Maybe you need a t-shirt souvenir. Maybe you need a wrench to fix something on your ride. Maybe you need a cooler, or you're camping out overnight and need some firewood. You can get it at the big store. They have it all. There's not too much they don't have. In fact, I don't think I've ever gone up there and not found what I was looking for. So anyway, we do this show every Tuesday morning, kicking off their sales ad, and they have some great ads, great sales, especially for Memorial Day weekend. Make sure you get that watermelon, throw it in the cooler with some ice for about 12 hours. And I tell you what, you can't beat it on the Upper Texas coast with your toes in the sand. Feeling that coastal breeze in your hair, watching the kids play, knowing you've got a ice cold watermelon ready to slice. Maybe you're going to grill at night. Grab you some hand-cut steaks at the big store. For more information on the big store and their ad, make sure you visit their website at www.thebigstore.us. We're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope to see you on the beachfront for Memorial Day weekend 2026 here on the Upper Texas coast. Remember, for more information on Bolivar Peninsula or to see it live anytime, make sure you check out our website, the official Bolivar Peninsula Tourism and Visitors Center website for Bolivar Peninsula. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. Come see us and enjoy Memorial Day weekend 2026 here on the Upper Texas coast with family and friends. Until next time, y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. Thank you to these 2026 video equipment sponsors. Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87. Beachy Beatnik Boutique, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87. And Latitude 29 Surf Shop, located at 1400 Highway 87. Thank you to these area businesses for being our 2026 video equipment sponsors for Bolivar Live.